Why should love only be in the air? Valentine's Day is approaching soon, so let's creatively and perhaps artistically paint this love on our nails. I have compiled 10 awesomely creative nail art ideas for you for inspiration on this Valentine's Day. By the way, there's a bonus at the end. The last 3 ideas are gender neutral, which means if you are a man or if your partner is a man, then these ideas will work for them too. Let's bring this wave of change and let's get rolling, or I would say nailing. Here's our first inspiration. What an elegant design for nail art this season. These swirls, hearts and color combination would work perfectly together. The next design is quite adorable and features modern colors and simple shapes. Simple, tasteful, but artistic nail art. These two were Hey Great Nails' creations. If you haven't already, check out the other designs on this page. I'm confident you will be smitten. Next, we have a minimal concept. The center of attention are those 2 beautiful hearts on the 3rd finger. And we have contemporary colors. Because this design is gorgeous, incredibly chic, and black is my weakness, this is my particular favorite. Please visit the Hot Blance's Instagram page. She has an artistic eye. The negative space artwork that comes next makes you stand out from the crowd. Also, thanks to the bright blue color. This design was inspired from Nails by Bethany with an underscore in the front. She has styles that are geared towards millennials. Next, we have a form of art that in my opinion was created for female entrepreneurs or influencers. You get a sense of simplicity and fearlessness from it. Amanda.Sudol was the source of the design. She also includes nail art suggestions that encourage you to value and exude confidence in your own skin. Butterflies are a symbol of delicacy. You will resemble a butterfly if you combine it with the colors pink and black. This design was inspired by Fazia.Nails, who also has some lovely simple designs for you. Now is the time for a bonus. The next 3 suggestions are geared towards men but can be used by either gender. The first one has abstract line art on it and is a blend of red and white. Awesome artist Bruno Graffer provided us with this design as inspiration. Check out the remaining designs. These are sick. Here is a design idea for couples who want to have matching fingernail art. Yes, painting this would require some effort, but it's worth a shot. Antaja Did Them is where this pattern originated. The information on this page has me swooning. Here is the last stud-friendly inspiration. The edgy style speaks to your inner personality, and if black is your color. For this design, I thank Rosa Nail Artist. In the description below, I have provided links to each and every design. Due acknowledgement is provided to each owner. Feel free to check this out. Do follow these owners, and if any concept strike a chord with you, use that in reality. Later on, come back to this video, share your thoughts, let me know how did you spend your Valentine, and perhaps also let me know if your partner liked this nail art. That's all for today. For more oozing creativity and art content, do follow and subscribe. I will see you next time. Until then, have a great day. Ciao.